everyone, it's Tori and we are here at the Mountain Meadows. We are at the Mountain Meadows Wool Mill here in Buffalo, Wyoming. And we've been here before, but they just got a new piece of equipment recently that allows them to dye their own yarn. So we're gonna do another tour and we decided we're gonna take you along with us. So anyway, let's tour the mill and see what we can find. Let's go. We're doing really well. Yes.
Oh, you decided to come back.
Oh,
Yeah.
well,
Because you guys started to dye wool now that
Yes,
we saw.
we do dye. Yes,
So
yeah.
Thought we'd shoot on over and see what that looks like.
Yes.
Yeah, you can't see it much
Okay.
because the vats are kind of below, but I can take you and show you.
Oh yeah, I'd love to see.
Would you like to just see it?
Absolutely.
I'll just walk you through.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is so
So, like,
cool.
this is finished dyed yarn, but they get loaded in these tanks, and
Oh, so that's the undyed.
that's the undyed.
Okay.
So the tanks get prepped over here, and they're staining. You know, we're doing a lot of dyeing because we have a lot of customers who are just having us dye yarn. So
Yes.
this is still our regular hand dyed.
Okay.
Because she can do a smaller batch just on the table.
Yeah.
And anyway, these are the beautiful
It's
colors.
so beautiful.
Yeah, it
Oh
is
my
really
gosh.
pretty. So the vats are all prepped here. I don't think they're dyeing yet, but they will later. When you're upstairs, all you see is this huge tank.
Yeah.
It's pretty simple. They go into these, this will be filled with the hot water and the dye.
Okay.
And then those baskets are lowered down in there.
And how long does it take?
It takes about 2 hours because
Okay.
I've got to get up to heat
Yeah.
and then stay in there for like 30 minutes or more. I don't remember. So, then it sits until it kind of cools, and then we let it drain, and then we fill it up with water to rinse, and then it goes to an extractor. We pull it all out, the whole basket. Pull the baskets up and say, a lot prepped. That's prepped.
Oh, that's all prepped. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's ready to go in. I don't know what colors awesome to dye today.
Oh, it's just so
I mean, it was a big project just getting all this, and all the plumbing and the boilers and the.
And you just got these last year? Was it just last year?
We just what was it? April.
Oh, April this year.
Yeah.
Oh.
I guess it took him about 2 months. We had to contract somebody to do all the plumbing and electrical.
Yeah.
Because, all new lines. But, this is it. This is the big thing. Way to organize it.
Oh, wow.
So so she's still doing our regular hand dye process, but all the commercial dyeing all has to be regulated with the chemicals in the back there, the dyes, the powders. It's it's not quite so spontaneous and just
Free willy.
Yeah.
Yeah, very exact. They need the colors.
The consistency, yeah, that makes sense. So they get wrapped in here, and is that just heat up
And
so that
this
they
is
process?
this is our dye process. It just goes into this oven
Okay.
and gets baked for, how long does it get baked? 2.5 hours.
So
At 250.
start at the beginning, it's around 6 hours and you're done?
Well, they're two separate processes.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Dye.
So this
This is
one
hand.
is just hand dye.
Oh.
And that's the commercial dye. Those are two they're
Yeah.
very separate.
Because you have the hand dye. Because I remember there was when we were here before
with
there
a
was
mix of the
colors. Yep.
colors. Yeah.
Okay.
So we still do that.
Yes.
Brenda will do that a couple times a week. But the commercial dye is all over here.
Okay. Wow.
This equipment came along with that dye. So the big cone winder and the new skein winder and a radio frequency dryer, which isn't working just yet. So that's my system.
Gotcha.
So, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
thank
we,
you
like,
so
crammed
much.
it
This
in.
is so cool. All right, well, we're all done at the wool mill. Got a bag full of goodies right here. I'll do a little unboxing. Super nice, folks, super cool. We got our own little private tour you got to see. And if you're in Buffalo, Wyoming, you should absolutely come by and support this amazing local business and pick up some yarn and learn about the history of, making yarn. It's super awesome. What'd you think, Bea?
It was nice. The tour was good. I'm glad I asked.
Yes, it was awesome. So here's the bag of goodies of things that I got. This was a spur of the moment purchase, and I've never done felting before, but it's the cutest little owl. It says it's easy, and supporting a small business, spending $20 on this as opposed to buying something from Amazon is so much better. So anyway, we'll try this maybe on the drive home. Of course, I did get some yarn. I got this wonderful chunky yarn. So this is, let's see, I think it's from the Sundance collection. Of course, made in the USA in Buffalo. This is the Sundance dyed, and it's this chunky. So I think I'm going to use this. And then I got this. Look how beautiful this is. I think this is also the Sundance No, this is Teton Flame is what this is. But beautiful. And I'm going to use these together. I don't know with one skein if I'll have enough to make a hat, which I want to do, but I have an accent, so that'll be great. I did also pick up a t-shirt. So they had these t-shirts that you probably saw. I think I showed that. Just little Mountain Meadow wool t-shirt to lounge in. I got like, they only had certain sizes, so I think I got like a 2XL, but I'm gonna sleep in this. It's super cute. I also, these are really popular right now, by the way, and I think that I have thought about making some of these, but these just go right here. I'm going to open these up and pop these down here, and then they absorb liquid. So they're a really great thing to actually have. So very utilitarian. Love, love, love these. And then I think last but not least, I got this little trio of yarn. And this again, I might use for a hat. I might make a bag. I'm not quite sure yet. All right, well that is it. I'm a little disheveled because again, we drove down from the Bighorn National Mountains here in Buffalo, Wyoming. There's a lot of really cute things to do and places to support. And even if you're a yarny, especially if you're a yarny, crocheter, knitter, whatever, stop by and say hello. And don't forget to say hello to Yarnold and come support a really cool business. All right, until next time, everybody. See ya.